Phew. Wah. First video of 2021, and now I'm recording with the internal microphone of the Canon M50. You know why? Because let me first show you what's my setup, how I record video, right? So right now you are seeing this. Okay, this is my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is my primary go-to phone for stock photography. Yes, this is the stock photography earnings video, and I'll be getting to it very soon. But this is it. Now there'll be so much noises, okay, and I'll show you why. Let me detach the camera really fast so that you can have a tour with me. I haven't done it before, so you can see. Yes, you can see this is the construction truck that's going around because it's things are being constantly. This is the helipad, you can see over there, helipad ground, right? This is the campus of the medical college where I stay. This is actually the terrace. This is the iron filter, a good stock photography topic. This is not a vlog by any means, all right? I'll be showing my stock photography earnings very soon, but for what it matters, you can see this is the district of Kishanganj. Okay, I know the frame is overexposed because I'm controlling it manually, and right now my audio might be absolutely shit, but still I need to test how good the Canon M50 is for vlogging. Okay, it's not my new camera at all. It's my good old camera which I am using since so many years now, and it's almost time that I get a new camera, right? So you all saw me, I do like this, and here I come. Now I will show you how I do that. First let me frame the position, the thing, so that this is basically the terrace, okay, and I'm standing on top of the terrace. And you know what, I can't go much far because I'm using my voice, I'm throwing the voice towards the camera, and I don't have my lap mic, so you have to bear with the poor audio, right? So now what I do is I actually remain over here, and then I leave the frame like this, and then I come back, and then I say, and here I come, and then I edit the audio and video separately. I cut the clip so that I move the audio part to the part of the video where I'm not in the frame, right? And then I do like this. So right now I will vanish, and then I will soon reappear, right? So guys, let's start the video, the vlog, the stock photography series of 2021. And here I come. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam, and you are watching the Teaching Doc. And in this video I'll be discussing my whole stock photography earnings, my entire stock photography earnings for the year 2020, right? Now I made monthly videos from, I think originally I used to make quarterly videos because my earnings were not so much. Then I started making monthly videos, and I am doing it since last 5 to 6 months. I have been regularly uploading my monthly income from all stock agencies, right? But since the year has ended, I am not going to make a separate earning video for December. So those who have seen the video of November, right, those who follow me regularly will have some idea. Whereas you can have a bigger pictures how much you can earn in a year. Now mind it, my portfolio only has 3,500 images, most of which are crap quality because I'm myself is a beginner. Only few of them sells over and over again. That's the actual deal with stock photography. And I have uploaded the same images in almost all the agencies. I'm a non-exclusive contributor except the agency named Stockerville, where I have started in last month only, right? So right now I have all the tally made in my phone, so I'll just consult my phone instead of showing you the screenshots and the screencast. Those are boring, right? Mind it, I will not show you, or I will not tell you the earning of Shutterstock because it's the policy of Shutterstock so that you cannot disclose their real income, right? So It's as it is because once my earning, or I mean uploading in Shutterstock was disabled due to this. One thing, let me take a break and show you the lovely sunset. Whew. I'm sorry, you won't be able to see the sunset because the ISO and everything is manual. So let me just click the photo fast for you so that you can really see what it's like. Okay, I'll just keep the camera also in frame, and lovely. Anyway, so first let me, I think they have messed up the frame. Anyway, so let me open up the PDF file. At last I'll be showing you the Excel file from which I am reading it up. Alright, again I will not be telling you the earning of Shutterstock because I don't want my account to be banned once again, because it's actually one of my, it used to be one of my best selling agency, now it's not. Sad. Anyway, so I will tell you the agency, and I'll be telling you the number of sales, and I'll be telling you how much dollar I have earned. Alright, and lastly I'll also give you the total amount. So in all, I have uploaded in 15 agencies, 15 non-exclusive agencies. I'll number them one by one, but I have just numbered them randomly because it took me a long time to go into the stats and upload those, I mean search those images. Yes, I've rambled too much. You are here for the numbers, right? And it's already, I think, more than 5-6 minutes and I am still babbling. So, in Stockerville, last 1 month, 13 sales, $11.6. Alright. Pond5, whole year 2020, so bad. Pond5 is not actually a good site for photos, it's a good site for stock footage actually. So for Pond5, 5 sales and $11.01, right? Alamy, surprisingly, Alamy was good for me. It was pathetic in 2018 and 2019. 2020 was good. I had 11 sales. Mind it, in Alamy, one big sale will give you a huge amount of money. I mean, one sale will give you a huge amount of money. Again, the truck has started and you can hear some interfering noises, right? So in Alamy, 11 sales, $135. But mind it, in Alamy, it's not the actual money that you can earn. There is something called cleared balance. So I already got one payout of $50, and this again has got a lag period which will get paid to me very soon. But you get the point. $11, 11 sales, $135. Icon Scout, I started in Icon Scout since last 2-3 months, I think. 7 sales, $7. Not bad. IEM, I already made a video how IEM have decreased their royalty percentage, so 2021 is not going to be the same. IEM, 42 sales in 2020 and $29.6. CanStock Photo, in CanStock Photo, 9 sales and $7.50. Mostphotos.com, 6 sales and $4.03. You know, honestly, I think my new resolution will be not to continue in these sites where for the whole year I had less than 10 sales. It's not worth it in my opinion. Even if it's free, you still need time to upload and submit everything, isn't it? Next, Pixie. Pixie is it has been very good. 40 sales and $12.28. It's actually 897 rupee. It's in Indian money. Pixie calculates in Indian money, but I have converted it for the international viewers. In Big Stock, 102 sales, $32.5. In 123RF, I had 164 sales, $57.59. Adobe Stock, it's a sad story in Adobe Stock. I think in June or July, my Adobe Stock account got blocked due to uneven purchase. It was showing some illegal purchase. Someone had purchased with a credit card and there was some fraud. I don't know, I didn't understand what they were trying to say. But all in all, my Adobe Stock account was blocked. Right then I had $500 unpaid and that whole amount was lost. So since I didn't get it, I will not consider it, and then I opened another account. And since last few months, Adobe stock, I already got one payout of $25. Anyway, leaving all that story behind, Adobe stock $38, 32 points, 38 sales, $32.68 US dollars. Deposit photos has been good for me actually. When I see the numbers at the year end, 113 sales, $76.32. Dreams time 89 sales, 105.74 US dollars, right? Only two are left behind. iStock by Getty Images. I am a contributor in iStock, not Getty Images. 89, no, sorry, in iStock 830 sales and total 332.17 US dollars, right? And lastly, I've been contributing since last 3 years. I started with this agency. This agency is named Butterstock. In Butterstock, I had 1258 sales and total earning, including referral earning, is $1080.02, right? Don't tell anyone about Butterstock, okay? It's a top secret between you and I. So when I calculate the whole thing, tally, you can see in the screenshot the total earning, the total sales, the total number of photos that have sold is 2727. So 2727 times my photos have been sold on various agencies, and the total earning, total royalty after tax deduction, all right, after tax deduction is $1,878, means 1878.01 US dollar. If I convert them to Indian money, it will be around 1,37,000 Indian money, which is very good in my opinion. I can afford a full frame camera body. I might be doing that, you never know. My birthday is coming on 26th of January. So guys, that was it. Well, you can hear the sound of the railway station, okay? That's a train, gong of a train. Anyway, I don't know if you like this video. I have talked so much, okay? I have talked so many unnecessary things, but I wish you all the best for your new year. Please hit the like button if you want to make this sort of a vlog style video in outdoors. You can also give me a thumbs down. Don't give me a thumbs down, please give me a thumbs up. Just write in the comment section if the audio was shit, and I will know when I make this video that the audio was poor or not. Anyway, I've heard that the preamps in this Canon M50 are good enough, so if you are doing a small scale project, it might be good for your on-camera mic. Anyways, so the code of the day, if you are watching this video till now, you must prove it by writing 2021 in the comment section. Anyways guys, I'm so happy to share this video with you all. I wish you good fortune in 2021. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends, photographers and cousins who love stock photography, because our aim here is to build a strong community of stock photographers so that we can earn together a lot of money. Well, I'll see you soon with lots of videos in 2021. Till then, bye and take care. Whew. Time to show you the sunset. Cool, isn't it? It's cool. Whew. There's the railway station. It's a 22mm lens. You won't be able to see anything at all. Anyways, so I'll be taking a photo of this lovely sunset, and that's a bonus feature for this video. So, bye.